Hello. Uh, I got some message asking me to explain more on momentum. So here I'd like to share with you my view on momentum for your reference. So first, momentum is one of the 6 core elements. The 6 core element is physical, mind, breathing, chi flow, force flow, and momentum. And in fact, momentum is the bottom line of the martial art applications, if you look at it according to the ancient Chinese martial arts. So the first 4 elements, the body, the mind, the breathing, the chi flow, they are just the body or the support, whereas the force flow and the momentum, they are belong to the applications, and momentum is the bottom line of it. Okay, because combat situations, martial arts situations, or martial applications is actually an exchange or handling of momentum, if you want to look at it that way, according to the ancient Chinese. Okay. So we know that the momentum is the bottom line, and force flow or jing or power all are supporting this momentum handling stuff. Okay, so what is momentum? Okay, now for me, momentum is like for example, a rock rolling down from the hill, or if anyone has seen the motorcycle accident in the highway, where you can see the motorcycle out of control, spin and just move forward. Okay, that is the type of momentum I'm talking about, or I'm referred to. It is not a water tower standing there with a structure, or it is not the demonstrations or performance in the circus where one guy a big guy tried to push a car or a truck, something like that. It's not. It is, if you think about it, it is like the motorcycle out of control in the highway, slips and it goes. Okay, that is what momentum for me. Now, according to the ancient Chinese martial art, momentum have 5 basic ways of handling it. Okay? The first way of handling the momentum is called make use of it. So what does this mean? Okay, very simple example. For example, if somebody throw me a medicine ball, a very heavy medicine ball, say a 50-pound medicine ball. When the medicine balls touching my body, I'm using the momentum to bounce myself away. That is the first type of handling. Okay, so make use of it. The second type is called overcome. So overcome meaning, again, back to the example, people throw me a medicine ball. So it comes with a momentum, and what happened? I accelerate my body, crush forward, collide with it, bounce it away. That is called overcome. The third is control. So the same example with the medicine ball. The ball comes toward me, the momentum comes toward me, I shift a little bit, I slap it sideways, lightly. Now the medicine ball with the momentum is going sideways. It's no longer come to me. That is control. The fourth is dissolve. Again, using the momentum, the momentum of the medicine ball. When the balls come to me, I receive it. Okay, I receive it. So when I'm receiving it, the momentum come get accepted by my body, I dissolve it, say by transmit the force down to the ground or step backs. So that's dissolving it. There's many ways of dissolving it. Okay? Now, the fifth way is called weight. It's like how heavy, the weight, how heavy. All momentum have three things, three weight. One is how deep is the penetrations. Second is how strong is the momentum. The third is how fast is the momentum. So, for example, we talk about the overcome, the momentum come to me or the medicine ball come to me, and I accelerate my body, I crush it, collide with it, and I bounce it away. Well, that has an assumption. Assumption is that I can generate a bigger momentum to overcome it. Okay? If the momentum coming towards me or the medicine ball is have a much more strong momentum or much deeper penetrations to me, I will get collide away instead of the medicine ball get bounced away. Okay? So, is anything wrong with the collide? No, it's nothing wrong. It's one way out of the five to handle momentum. Okay. Another example is like I accept the momentum, the medicine ball. Now, you got to watch out here. If my body, the transmission, the force flow system of the body is within the limitations of handling the momentum, the incoming momentum, I'm fine, I can dissolve it. But if the momentum, again, is too deep or too strong to come at me, or too fast to come at me, when my body cannot react or will not be able to channel the force or the momentum, my body will get destroyed. This rip apart, okay, or fall apart. So this is how to handle momentum. There's 5 ways. Okay. Now, in Chinese martial art, all these 5 ways of handling, if it is a complete system, it is within it. And in fact, every style have the different characteristics of which one is good at. And if we often heard about this using 4 ounce to defeat 1,000 KT, those kind of stuff, or using soft to subdue the hard, those kind of stuff. Those are all has to base on momentum. Those are not like in a movie. Oh, I need soft, and then I dissolve the momentum away or the force away. Those type of stuff. No. What happened is this: in the demonstration, people push your hand. You say, okay, I have a space, and I do it slowly, gradually. You can do that. But if you think about it, what comes to you is like the motorcycle in accident where you're out of control, it slips and spin come to you. Are you going to be able to do that? For me, I walk away because you know it's out your limitation already. So there's such thing as so-called using soft to counter the hard, or using 4 ounce to. You need to know what we are doing. Otherwise, we just cannot handle this kind of stuff. Okay. So this is momentum basic. Okay, this is momentum basic. Now, often I heard people told me, oh, I do chi sao, I beat my opponent because I have good structure. Well, if you look at the momentum of how they do things, then you might going to find out they beat the opponent because of they have bigger body, more massive momentum they generate with a bigger body, and to overcome the opponent, or they have a longer arm and the opponent have a shorter arms. So once one knows about the momentum, one can read the momentum and see what's going on here. Okay, instead of everything just a structure. Same thing. Sometimes people say, well, I stand in Iji Kamyongma, he pushed me. So I just use my structural power, or use my jing or my energy, and